And with just a day to go for Diwali, Ayodhya is decked up like someone was telling us to celebrate the festival of lights. 9 like diyas will be lit at Ram Ki Paidi to mark this Diwali. Here's more.
Ayodhya, the birthplace of Maryada Purushottam Shri Ram, is decked up for Diwali. At the Ram Ki Paidi, 900,000 or 9 lakh diyas will light up Ayodhya this Deepavali. 5 diyas were brought in from every village across Uttar Pradesh, and the administration was tasked to ensure that more than 12 lakh diyas light up across Ayodhya in an effort to set a new benchmark.
इस बार 9 लाख दीपक केवल यहीं पर प्रज्वलित होंगे। जो आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं राम जी की पेड़ी, यहाँ पे 9 लाख दीपक इस बार प्रज्वलित होंगे।
When Yogi Adityanath took over as Chief Minister in 2017, for the first time, 51,000 diyas were lit up on the banks of river Saryu at Ram Ki Paidi. Each year, the number went up, with close to 3.5 lakh diyas in 2018, 4 lakh diyas in 2019 and 6.6 lakh diyas in 2020. This year, 9 lakh diyas will light up at the Ghats and another 3 lakh diyas across Ayodhya to mark the celebrations of 9 lakh homes allotted to beneficiaries of Prime Minister and Chief Minister's Awas Yojana or housing scheme. Water from Kabul river was sent by a woman devotee from Afghanistan. It was mixed with Ganga Jal for a Jalabhishek of Lord Ram at the temple in Ayodhya. Yogi Adityanath at Panchayat Aaj Tak spoke of the significance of the ceremony.
और काबुल हमारे लिए महत्वपूर्ण इसलिए है, माता केकई उसी अफगानिस्तान से थे। भगवान राम ने माता केकई के प्रति अपार श्रद्धा और सम्मान का भाव व्यक्त किया है। क्या माता केकई नहीं होती तो क्या हम राम राज्य की बात कर पाते?
It is not just about lighting up 9 lakh diyas, it is also about the paintings, the entire life journey of Lord Rama, which the students of various colleges of Ayodhya have tried to show in this particular majestic Ram Ki Paidi.
There are grand plans for a laser show, sound and light show, and the use of drones in 3D projection of the Ramayana. 500 drones will draw various events from Ramayana on the Ayodhya skyline. 3D holographic shows, 3D projection mapping, and laser shows on the banks of river Saryu will also make this Diwali special. This is the first time that festivities have been scaled up to this level. And the administration has sought the assistance of over 12,000 volunteers to light the diyas. The diya makers are also excited about this Diwali.
कुल 2.5 लाख का ऑर्डर मिला है, इसमें लगभग 40 घर कुम्हार हैं। यहाँ पे सबको 5-5 हज़ार दे दिया हूँ।
यहाँ पे 12,000 हमारे वॉलंटियर्स लगे हुए हैं जो स्कूल और कॉलेजों के हैं। यहाँ जो कार्यक्रम का जो मेन स्वरूप है वो हमारा शाकित कॉलेज से 13 झांकियाँ निकलेगी जो राम कथा का चित्रण करेंगी और वहाँ झांकियों को रूट होगा और वो अपने निर्धारित रूट से राम कथा पार्क तक आएगी।
The effort, according to the people of the historic religious center, is to ensure Ayodhya's historic and cultural glory is not only revived but also taken to greater heights. Bureau Report, India Today.
Samarth continues to be with us. Samarth, and for Ayodhya celebrations are not really new, but this time around, again, very interesting, and there are many firsts for the Diwali celebrations that Deep puts up there. Also, one has to keep in mind that the optics of this has to be, can't be left aside. UP is going into an election here just next year, and Ayodhya obviously has become the center of many events also, isn't it, just before elections?
कारण है कि गांधी जी ने स्वतंत्रता के बाद
Obviously, the elections are nearing, and every party wants to make their attempt in that. Why the Deepotsav has become a very major event ahead of the UP polls. And as you can see, from 2017, CM Yogi Adityanath is making it happen almost every year. It all started with 51,000 diyas, and now, when the elections are nearing, it has reached to the 9 lakh. This is a point which was decided a year back by the state government, and now this will happen today in few hours from now. So these are the things happening in Ayodhya, and why they have stressed on Ayodhya is a very clear message that when it comes to Ram Temple, BJP is the only party which comes forward, and they are very vocal about it. They have no second thought like other political parties, as after the decision from Apex Court, it was very clear that the temple construction will begin, and after that every political party came in favor. So you can see it has become a proper focal point. Ayodhya has become a proper focal point for other parties as well. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal is visiting. Other parties are also visiting, and what we can expect, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra may visit any time in Ayodhya in the coming days. So, but that is why BJP keeps on saying that we never forgot Lord Rama or Ayodhya. But why other parties are, when it is about the people of Ayodhya and when elections are nearing, then why are you remembering Lord Rama? So these are the things, and that is why events like Deepotsava, lighting up diyas, the record thing, everything comes into the map, and that is the thing which will somewhere and somehow benefit the Saffron party in the coming assembly elections, and the party knows it well, and that is why such events like Jhaki, like this Deepotsav, this Ram Ki Paidi thing, the Saryu Ghat Aarti, everything is already planned few months back, and now it is happening, and the party will surely expect some momentum from this particular day's events. Yes.
All right, Samarth Srivastava, thanks for getting us those detailed Samarth with that report from Ayodhya. Shifting focus now, preparations are underway at Delhi's Tyagrat Stadium for Delhi government's Dilli Ki Diwali event. The biggest attraction of the event is going to be structure resembling Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. As we speak, workers are racing against time to complete the 60 feet tall and 110 feet wide structure made out of thermocol and plywood. Inside the structure, puja is going to be held on Diwali day, and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi cabinet ministers and their family members will be guests for the event. In 2020, a similar celebration was held at Akshardham, and before that at Connaught Place in 2019.
For the last 3 years, we have been organizing this public Diwali called Dilli Ki Diwali, so that people of Delhi can come together and celebrate Diwali without bursting crackers. And this time, we are organizing this Diwali Pujan here, where a replica or a representation of the Ram Mandir is being created. The Chief Minister, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, the entire cabinet, and along with them, their families will be here, and the Diwali Pujan would be done. This would be telecast live on major television channels, so that the people of Delhi, even if they are sitting in their own homes, even when they are not bursting crackers, can celebrate Diwali together.
ये जो सफेद स्क्रीन देख रहे हैं, इस मंदिर के ठीक पीछे यहाँ पर लेजर शो होगा, साथ ही साथ यहाँ पर एक मूवी के अंदाज में रामायण भी दिखाई जाएगी, और यहाँ पर हम आपको लिए चलते हैं। आइए, यहाँ पे तमाम लोग ये तैयारी जो कर रहे हैं, मंच बनाया गया है, यहीं पर मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल अपनी पूरी कैबिनेट के साथ सपरिवार पूजा करेंगे। तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि पूरी तस्वीर जो है वो राम मंदिर की तरह है, और न सिर्फ यहाँ बल्कि किस तरह से लाइटिंग के इंतजाम है, ये देखिए। यहाँ पर पूरा लाइट शो होगा, और अगर आप देखें तो इस मंदिर के चारों तरफ जो दीवारें हैं वो भी यहाँ पर राम मंदिर का जो मॉडल है उसी अंदाज में तैयार की जा रही हैं। तो यहाँ पर सबसे खूबसूरत बात यह है कि राम मंदिर लोग दिल्ली में ही देख पाएंगे, लेकिन जाहिर सी बात है उत्तर प्रदेश में चुनाव होने हैं, तो उसका भी एक असर यहाँ पर देखने के लिए मिल रहा है कि आम आदमी पार्टी का झुकाव है अयोध्या की तरफ। हाल ही में जो तीर्थ यात्रा योजना है उसमें अयोध्या को शामिल किया, गोवा में अरविंद केजरीवाल ने इस बात का ऐलान किया, लेकिन 4 नवंबर को दिवाली का उत्सव यहाँ पर मनाया जाएगा, जहाँ पर मुख्यमंत्री अपने तमाम मंत्रियों के साथ शामिल होंगे।